All right, guys, so I just left the nail salon. I did not take you guys with me this time. I'm so sorry. Oh shoot, the light turned yellow. Lord. Ooh, let me get across here. Oh, I did not take you guys with me this time, only because I just had a lot going on. I needed to use my phone while I was in there, so I did not record. But yeah, girl, got them criminals. Ah! I got them criminals, baby. I'm gonna show y'all a better. I'm gonna give y'all a better view once I get into some better lighting. I actually need to go and try to find some Christmas pajamas, which I'm so last minute. Not necessarily for myself, kind of, you know, more so for my son, because I have pajamas that are, they old, but you know, they get the job done. But yeah, so we're just headed to find some pajamas. So when I return, once I make it to my destination, we'll be back. Ah! Y'all, I made it to the mall. I'm thinking that I want to some pajamas out of Burlington. Oh, it's about to be staring. We're gonna try to find some pajamas, which is probably gonna be impossible, but we're gonna still look. Well, they're usually right here. I don't see any. Oh wait, it's going down here. That's for like little boys. Can y'all imagine leaving out the mall, eating a cookie, and tripping while eating a cookie? Baby, it's me. Am I embarrassed? But that cookie was busting. That red velvet. So tonight we're gonna make a salad. I got my onions. Y'all always shake your eggs, right? It's the only ranch, baby. I don't do crap.
Right? That's why my friend's mom drove everywhere. You have a great night.
Thank you. You too. Alright guys, we are about to go find some wings and a salad. I'm about to take my butt home because I'm tired. Alright y'all, so once I make it, I'm gonna start back recording once I make it home. I'm probably not gonna record myself at the next grocery store because I'm in a rush, honey. And all we doing is getting some wings and a salad. Okay? So see y'all back at home. Bye bye. Alright guys, we have made it home and we are about to season this chicken, baby. So I'm gonna be using Chef Kim's all-purpose seasoning on my wings. So I'm just gonna put this all over. I'm gonna use a few other things as well, but I definitely wanted to make sure I got that on there first on the base, baby, because good. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with some garlic and onion, black pepper, sea salt. I'm not gonna use a whole lot of this because it has salt in it. So just like a little bit of that. And then I'm also gonna use this all-purpose Greek seasoning. You know I gotta have my Creole. Gonna put a little bit of Creole seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder. Y'all, I know this might seem like it's a lot of seasoning, but trust me. When you seasoning your chicken, it's okay. I'm not gonna fry this, so it needs to be seasoned really well. Put it in the air fryer, but I'm not gonna fry it in like any grease, so I'll just use the lemon pepper then. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of raspberry chipotle seasoning. Alright guys, so I have already preheated my air fryer. I'm just gonna take a few pieces of meat and go ahead and place them in here. I know y'all probably like, why is she using that spoon? It's because I don't want to touch the meat. Alright, so I think I can put a few more. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wings in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put them in there. We're gonna put it on 350 and for 22 minutes. So when it gets about halfway, I'm gonna flip those over. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. So okay, so what else is on the menu is gonna be salad. We're gonna make a homemade salad and garlic bread, and then that's it. So once I start making the salad, I'll be back on the cam. Alright guys, so we are about to take out our last batch of wings. Oh wait, no we're not. I forgot I had to flip these. Well, I'm gonna flip these and then we'll be done. Girl, I forgot that. We're gonna move on to the salad. I just have a bag of, well, I'll show it to you. I just have a bag of leafy green romaine that I'm gonna do tonight. And my salad that I do is super simple, but it just got so much flavor and it's good. Okay, so we're going to add in our chopped eggs. I boiled some eggs, and then I always put onions in my salad because I love onions. These are sweet onions. I usually just use regular, or you can even use the purple ones as well. These eggs in here. Now we're gonna add the onions. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little toss. And then I'm gonna add some Colby Jack cheese blend. Just gonna toss it in there. Like cheese over here. Alright guys, so I always season my salad. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Creole. Just a little sprinkle. This just adds flavor. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of Nature's seasoning blend. And a little bit of Chef Kim's all-purpose seasoning, okay? And let me tell y'all, I already tasted one of the wings, and baby, buzz. You ain't got your none, sis. Go ahead and get you some. Go ahead and order you some for Christmas now. All right, so I'm just gonna mix all this in together. Alright, so the salad is done. Beep, beep, baby. Who got the keys to the Jeep? It's me, baby. Heard that beep, so you know what time it is. Time to get these wings about this thing. So this is how my chicken turned out, baby. So pretty, so golden, so crispy. I ain't no chef in them, but you know. I cook some wings. All right, so we got Aiden whipping up us some marshmallows. We got Aiden whipping us up some Rice Krispies, y'all. I promise you. After Vlogmas, we gonna get these Krispies a break. I promise you. I promise. I know y'all tired of seeing them. I don't even know how many pounds I done gained eating all these Rice Krispies, but we ain't gonna worry about it. You know, New Year's coming up. We gonna work on some things. All right, guys. So we are done cooking. We got our wings. We got our garlic bread, and then we got our salad. We got some croutons, and then of course, you know we gotta have the valley, baby. I don't do the graph, just the valley. Okay? Alright guys, so this about wraps up this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in and cooking with me again. The days are counting down. We only have a few more days until Christmas, you guys, and I hadn't forgot about the cookies. You know, we're still gonna bake the cookies together. We can do it on Christmas Eve. How about it? Christmas Eve, we're gonna bake them cookies together. Don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And until tomorrow,